Hello, Ethan here with Borlé Brothers Contracting. Just finishing up for today and pretty close to finishing this job for the week, which was to tear down and rebuild a fence and raised garden beds. We've decided to, instead of just taking a bunch of pictures and showing you photo albums, the best way we figured we could show you some of the work we've done is actually through videos. So we'll see how this goes. On the back side here, we put in chain link fence. We installed a 6-foot fence, so a little bit higher than what was before. We had to apply and receive an overheight permit from the city, which we did on behalf of the homeowner. Just a little contrast here with horizontal boards. Nice header above all our gates to keep the posts in place so that during the winter, spring, summer, fall, no matter what season, you'll be able to open that door. All our posts go at least 3 feet into the ground. Below that is 4 inches of gravel to help with drainage below, and we bring the concrete right up just above the grade. That keeps water and dirt away from the posts. And if you've ever seen a wooden fence after 20 years, the bottom of the post, after being whipper snipped again and again, looks like a beaver's been at it, so this will help avoid that as well. Here's the main gate. Let's just make sure closes nice and good. Pull on the chain, easy open. You just installed some lights here to help light the chain during night. There's our through bolts holding our headers above the gate in place. We replaced a little patio there from the doorway, which will then be paved in the same paving stones as the existing. It's a nice little deck to step out on. We replaced all of these raised garden beds, which we've anchored right to the wall with the big blue concrete screws you can see there. We use structural screws at corners and to put these braces in place, and galvanized nails, 8-inch nails to go down through the boards, hold everything together. We're going to be replacing this paving stone here, and over at the main entrance of the property we're actually putting a black decorative fence in, but have to wait because Telus is coming in, going to dig this out probably. Don't want to put the fence in and build out that pillar there until that's done. Alright, so thanks for taking that little tour with us. Hope you guys have a good day, and if you have any work, make sure to look us up. Thanks a lot.